Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share my inquiry project about a question that emerged from my daily observation in the room. The question is, how can questioning techniques support children's problem-solving thinking? During my placement, I began notice a pattern, which is when children face a challenge, for example, when blocks fail or when the puzzle didn't fit, they often pause and look at me, waiting for my help and my answer. And many children tried only one method before giving up. Their eyes wouldn't search, their eyes would search my face as if asking, "What do I know? What do I do now?" And then moments made me reflect on my own teaching practice. I realized that sometimes I stepped in too quickly to give suggestions too directly. And this made me wonder if my interactions were unintentionally reducing their opportunities to think independently. And that was where my inquiry began. So my inquiry question became, how can questioning techniques support children's problem-solving thinking? So to explore this, I used three intentional questioning strategies. First, I used open-ended questions such as, "What else could you try?" These questions encourage multiple possibilities instead of one correct answer. Second, I added thinking prompts like, "I can see you are working hard. What is your idea?" This helped children feel confident and acknowledged, which made them more willing to keep trying. And the third one is I use problem-solving scaffolds such as, "What happens if blah blah blah," or "What do you think this happened? Why do you think this happened?" This supported children to reflect on cause and effect rather than expecting me to solve the problem for them or other educators. And the children's responses changed noticeably. They began to verbalize their thinking, saying things like, "I will try the bigger block," or "maybe the ramp needs to be higher." I saw more persistence and more creative attempts. And some children also imitated my questioning style and started asking each other questions during group play. And one child even approached me and said, "Can you ask me a question?" Which showed me that questioning had become motivating and enjoyable. And through this inquiry, I learned that questioning is not a test, but it is a way to guide, support, and extend children's thinking. I also realized that the timing of the questioning matters. When I slowed down, stepped back, and allowed maybe more seconds of thinking time, children were much more capable than I expected. And that links strongly to Vygotsky's social cultural theory as well, which emphasized how language and interaction and gentle scaffolding help children reach higher levels of thinking. And moving forward, I will plan to keep using these questioning strategies in individual play and group experiences. And I also want to keep observing how different children respond and adjust to my questions to match their learning styles. And I hope to continue learning from my mentor and colleagues so that I can develop a wider understanding of the questioning strategies. And in conclusion, this inquiry has helped me understand that when teachers change the way we ask questions, children will change the way they think as well. And when children change their thinking, their confidence, problem-solving skills, and independence will all grow. That's what I believe so. So thank you very much.